Hey everybody, this is Robert out here at McCarthy Hyundai in the beautiful Blue Springs. Just wanted to reach out and share with you this little jam I have here. This is a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe SEL in the beautiful white color. Now this does have the convenience package. Let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick. The convenience package has all these type of different features right here. This is a front wheel drive, the 2.4. Beautiful vehicle. Does have the aluminum alloy wheels. Does have your beautiful fog lights, daytime running lamps, and beautiful cascading grille. Now a little bit of information that a lot of people don't know is that your actually Hyundai emblem is actually a dealer and a customer shaking hands. Can you see that? Kind of cool. You know, a little bit of trivia for you. Super nice vehicle. This is the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. Windshield wiper fluid, easy to get to. Coolant, easy to get to. Takes the 5W20, as you can see right there. Check your oil. Battery right there. Now, some manufacturers out there will take the battery and they'll hide it in the car, like under a seat, you know, in the trunk, in a fender well, to where you have to tear half the vehicle apart. So easy to get to. Now, if you are somebody that likes doing your own maintenance, like changing your own air filter, look how simple that is to change out your own air filter. So within 10 seconds, you can change your own air filter and save some money. Super nice vehicle. Again, really nice aluminum alloy wheels. Does have the blind spot warning, power windows, power locks, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Does have the upgraded Infinity stereo system in it. And what's also really nice, to give you a little bit more privacy, and also to help keep the car a little bit cooler, you know, during the summer months, you have built-in sunshades in both rear passenger doors. Okay, let's go ahead and walk around the back here. Does have your backup sensors. That's what those 4 dots are in the bumper. Does have the power liftgate. Super nice. Also does have, really beautiful tail lights, backup camera. Again, power liftgate. This one does have your sunshade or your shade that sits right in there. Your carpeted mats. And then you also have a little storage area and everything down here. And the spare tire drops from underneath. You can see that little area right there. The little turn tab, and it drops it from the bottom. Okay, and then also you have a little storage area down here that moms really love, because if you go to the Chiefs game, the a Renaissance Festival or a Royals game, and you don't want to take your purse in with you, you can put that down in there, so even if somebody looks in the glass, they cannot see what's in the rear here. Again, upgraded Infinity stereo system. Does have, the releases right there for the seats. Okay, look at all that room that you have, that you're able to haul stuff. Let's go ahead and close this. And it also does have the power tailgate height adjustment. Now, the benefit to that is, if you have a garage that you're going to be putting this in, and your garage is a little bit lower, you have the ability to set this to where it will only open so high, and because sometimes you'll see vehicles that have like marks through here, like lines, damage lines, and that's because the liftgate has been going up into the garage door opener, or things like that, and damaging the vehicle. So super nice vehicle. This does have the cloth interior. Okay. Along with the convenience package, you're going to get the separate climate control. Again, we talked about the power liftgate, and also the parking distance warning in reverse, which is super nice. Power seat right here with lumbar support, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Really beautiful, you know, carbon inlay right here. Lane keep assist, blind spot warning, automatic lights, and also does have XM radio, Apple CarPlay, smart cruise control. So benefits here is you can see the little car and the little lines. Once you set up your cruise control, based off the vehicle that's in front of you, you can say how much distance you want between you and the car in front of you. Again, right up in there in the left-hand corner, the little car with the lines, that's gonna be your lane keep assist. Okay, super nice vehicle. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is going to give you your navigation and real-time navigation. So if there is an accident, it's going to help divert you and save you time. Separate climate control, we talked about that. You have the complete control as a driver until somebody changes this. So if somebody is really hot, that's the driver, and somebody's freezing to death, that is the passenger, you have separate climate control. Hit sync again, and you gain control over it again. Heated seats, 3 levels of heated seats, which is super nice. You also obtain, with the convenience package, your wireless charging pad, okay? You also have a charger there, USB, aux, push button start. Also have your drive mode, which is going to be sport and smart and comfort. And that's going to change up here. You can see the changes right there, which is kind of cool. And I'm just pressing that button right there. You have your automatic off, and then your auto hold, and then your electronic parking brake. Super nice vehicle. You also get a blue link with this vehicle, which is similar to OnStar, but the Hyundai line. So with the blue link, and that is, I don't know how well you can see that right there. The blue link, one of the huge features with that is you're going to be able to remote start your car from your phone. So I always remind people, if you're sitting in an airplane tarmac, you know, and it's 3 degrees outside, you have the ability to remote start your car from your phone while you're sitting on the airplane, because most key fobs are not going to reach the distance from the airplane all the way out to the parking garage. You know, so in theory, you could be sitting in Florida and remote start your car in Seattle. So a lot of great features to this vehicle. Really beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel. Again, you can see the emblem of the dealer and the customer shaking hands. Cruise control, there's your mute button right there. Voice recognition. So super nice vehicle. Let's go ahead and look in the rear again. Let's go ahead and lift this. Sorry, that was a two-handed job. Does have your ports there for the USB to charge your phones, and that way you don't have 3 or 4 cords running from the front all the way to the back. Now I'm 6'4", which I was driving this car, and I had plenty of room up front. Let's check in the back here. So even at 6'4", I still have room for my knees, and I still have about 2 to 3 inches for headroom. So they're very roomy. Another feature that a lot of people like are the adjustable seat belts, you know, for different heights of people, which is super nice. I don't know if you saw that very well. There you go, that locks in place. So again, this is Robert out here at McCarthy Hyundai in the beautiful Blue Springs, showing you a 2020 Santa Fe SEL with the convenience package, front wheel drive. And with all new Hyundais right now, you get 3 years free of maintenance. So 3 years free oil changes, 3 years of tire rotations. And as you know, 5-year 60 bumper to bumper warranty, whichever occurs first, and the 10-year 100,000 mile powertrain. Beautiful pearl white. I can just see the sparkling because of the sun. Now obviously we've had some rain around here and it needs a good bath, but beautiful vehicle. Let's go ahead and kind of walk around it again. Super nice. Again, this is a 2020 Santa Fe front wheel drive 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, and has the convenience package, and you're with the blind spot warning, lane keep assist. You're gonna get up to 22 miles per gallon in the city and up to 29 miles per gallon on the highway. Hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.